So we're back. Today we're diving into something crucial for anyone in tech: AWS Amazon Web Services. As we look ahead to 2025, understanding the cloud is the foundation of modern applications and data science. Mastering AWS services is a must, whether you're a developer, IT pro, or just curious about how the digital world works. The AWS ecosystem is huge and can be intimidating. That's why I made this video. We'll break down the 24 most essential AWS services you need to know for 2025. This isn't about becoming an expert overnight, but about building a solid mental map. Think of it as a guided tour. We'll cover what each service does, why it matters, and how it fits into the bigger picture. The goal, a concise educational overview that gives you the core knowledge you need. From compute and storage to serverless databases, networking, security, and automation tools, we'll cover it all. We'll use chapters so you can jump around or revisit later. Let's get into it. This is AWS Explained for 2025. First up, EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, the bedrock of AWS virtual servers you can spin up anytime. Next is S3, Simple Storage Service. Store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere, super reliable. Lambda is serverless compute. Upload your code and it runs in response to events, no servers to manage. RDS makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale relational databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL in the cloud. DynamoDB is Amazon's flagship NoSQL database. Fast, flexible, and delivers millisecond performance at any scale. VPC lets you carve out your own isolated section of the AWS cloud, your private network. IAM, Identity and Access Management, controls who can access which AWS resources. Absolutely essential for security. CloudFront is a CDN that caches your content worldwide for faster delivery to users. Elastic Beanstalk lets you deploy and scale web apps. Just upload your code and it handles the rest. ECS, Elastic Container Service, is Amazon's native solution for running and managing Docker containers at scale. Fargate is a serverless compute engine for containers. Run them without managing servers. EKS lets you run Kubernetes on AWS without managing the control plane. CloudFormation lets you model your infrastructure as code, automated, repeatable, and clean. SQS is a fully managed message queue that helps you decouple and scale microservices and distributed systems. SNS is a managed pub/sub messaging service for sending notifications to many subscribers. CloudWatch monitors your applications, collecting logs, metrics, and events for visibility. AWS Glue is a fully managed ETL service. Prepare and load your data for analytics with ease. Redshift is a fast, fully managed data warehouse for analyzing massive data sets using SQL. Step Functions coordinates multiple AWS services into serverless workflows. Visualize complex logic as steps. Code Pipeline automates your release pipelines for fast, reliable application and infrastructure updates. WAF, Web Application Firewall, protects your web apps from common exploits and attacks. AWS Shield provides managed DDoS Protection. Shield standard is on by default for all AWS customers. Route 53 is a scalable DNS service that translates domain names into IP addresses. AppSync lets you create flexible GraphQL APIs to securely access and combine data from multiple sources. And there you have it. A whirlwind tour of 24 AWS services shaping the landscape for 2025. From EC2 to AppSync, each service is a powerful tool. The real magic is combining them to build robust, scalable applications. Understanding this toolkit is about learning the language of modern technology. Mastering these services is a journey. The cloud keeps evolving. But the fundamentals, compute, storage, databases, networking, security, remain critical. Keep learning and experimenting to stay ahead. Choosing the right tool for the job is what sets you apart. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.